I want to look, because this feels a little bit well, the good thing is I did not fall. Okay, I kept the bike up, so that was good. I mean, it went down. Yes, I put them down so that I could get off, but the problem is how I was. It just pulled me down here in this, and I have nowhere where he's not going up here, first of all, and he doesn't want to turn this way, because if he turns this way I can come down here. I'm thinking maybe, I don't know if I cannot turn them on this, but cannot. I think I was to park the bike there and just walk here up. This is more hard than I was thinking, really. Can I go? No back? No. Go back, yeah. But push like this. Okay. Wait. Wait. And go down. Backward. Okay. Wait. So guys, sorry I could not show you everything because the battery ran out, so my GoPro shut down. Anyway, the bike is here. We managed to turn them around there, and then I just come down all the way to here. Here is easy, it's very easy going out from here now. I think that was the hardest part. So let's see what we can do now. I think I'm gonna leave the bike here, and I'm gonna walk up and let's go to the water. So this is well, you have some nice water here too, but I really would like to see the big waterfall. So we could not get up from here. I think my two-side panieri should really go away if you do straight like this. This is really, I don't know if you can see them with the GoPro, but it's really bad. I mean, it has some huge stone, and I come all the way here, all the way to here, and here I slow down and the stone stopped me, and here we could have really make, yeah, you see here is good. Go down is not so much a problem. So anyway, if we would have make all the way here, then yes, how you can see the path here is good. After it was just that, and unfortunately I would like to go and try again now that I know where to pass, because this is easy to come here. Can go up here very much, and then here it's easy. Look at here. This is beautiful here. Look, coming down. I'm not quite sure that he actually is here. Well, you know, let's go look. We are here. It doesn't cost us anything to go look. Look at this. This is beautiful. I don't know if this water is clean to drink. So guys, I'm thirsty, to be honest, but I could not get to go away from here without coming and see this waterfall here. You know, you go out in the morning to go somewhere, what are you gonna do? You just turn around and say, okay, all right, I did not find them, or all right, okay, I did the bike did not went. Cannot do that, right? So look at this. Looks nice. We can go swimming here actually. We can get all wet and swim, I think, in here. Oh, look all the fish. I don't know if you can see them with the GoPro, but it's full of fish here, right? Even big. How nice is that? Alright, okay, we're gonna go up there now.